Hi there, today we're going to be unboxing Microtrain 3.0 and talking you through the first flight. Here it is. Let's go ahead and unbox this and show you how to put it together. This is the middle part containing all of the accessories. These are the optional prop guards for protective indoor flying and learning how to fly. This is the battery, which is a cartridge which clips into the drone to provide the power. This is the charger, which charges up your battery and plugs into the USB, and the wire to connect it up. You get a set of spare main blades and also the inverted blades for upside down flying. Here's how to install the bumpers. There are two to attach. Simply install from underneath, clip it in, and push onto the motor arm until it clicks. Once both bumpers are installed, check the motors spin freely and they're not getting caught. Charge up the battery before your first flight with the provided charger. Plug in the micro USB into the charger and then find a USB power socket to plug your charger in. Take your battery and carefully line up the pins on the charger to the battery socket, making sure that it's nice and snug. Click it in and then the red lights will indicate when it's charging. When you're ready for your first flight, take the battery and slide into the drone. Carefully line up the pins and don't push forcefully. Slide it in until it clicks. Then when you see the LED lights, place it on a flat surface for the calibration to begin. Switch on the remote, and when the drone lights go solid, the automatic calibration is complete. Give the throttle a little bit of power to check that the remote and the drone are synced.